Hello, Heartbreakers. Thank you so much for joining me today at HEARTCORE at Home. In today's class, it's going to be a strength and conditioning class. So we're going to be needing your bungee cord. You're going to need a pole or a Swiffer to stabilize when we're lunging off the front platform. And then you're also going to need your black handlebars attached to your back platform. And then you're also going to need your hard black cables that are attached to the back platform. So get everything situated and let's get started. Okay, Heartbreakers. So first exercise, you're going to have to be on one black, one white spring. So one black, one white. You're going to need your hard black cables. And I want you to stand in the middle of your microformer. And we are going to be getting into a squat with row. So pure tension in your lats and your triceps, in your core, in your glutes, and your hamstrings, and your calves. So let's get started. So warming up the full body here. So you're sitting back, you row and you squeeze your shoulder blades together. You resist up and you squeeze your butt at the top. So sitting it back in a squat, squeeze, resist slowly, comes to the top. So you're kind of in like a sumo squat position with the lower body. Toes are slightly turned out. Spine is neutral. And let's bring the breathing into this too. So big inhale through your nose. Exhale. And resist up. So you want to be feeling pure tension in your glutes and your hamstrings as you're coming up and then also as you're coming down. Squeeze. Resist up. Pull it in. So we're warming up our hips, warming up our knees, warming up our shoulders, warming up the back of the body. Slowly resisting out. So feeling as you are resisting out that eccentric contraction of your lats. Pull it in, squeeze, resist, coming right back up. 15 more seconds. Okay, so now I want you to hold right here. Hold, big inhale through your nose. Exhale, squeezing your abs in. Your heels are smashing your floor. And we're gonna take it to presses. 3, 2, 1. Push, press, push, press. Hips down, hips up, 2 inches. How explosive you get in 2 inches. Push, press, and hold again. So this is round 2 of 3. Big inhale. Exhale, squeeze your belly button to spine, heels smashing the floor, and we got presses and push, press, push, press, push, press. So trying your best to be 90 degrees above that. 90 degrees, 2 inches higher. Push, press, push, press. Okay, last hold, big inhale. Exhale, keep that breathing going, keeping your lats engaged. We got our last presses in 4, 3, 2, 1, push, press. Let's do it. Warming up the glutes, the hamstrings. Push, press, push, press, push, press. Okay, so next exercise, you're gonna be in a squat hold with a tricep kickback. So you can cross your cables if you'd like more tension. So booty sticking back and out, squeezing your shoulder blades together, and you're kicking your forearms back and you're resisting right back in. So abs in tight. Again, continuing to work the back of the body, resisting and inhale. Exhale, kick it back. Resisting in, slowly kicking back. So one black, one white might be a little heavy. So if you're feeling that way, you can absolutely take off a white spring and just stick with the black spring. So triceps, I'm feeling my lats stabilizing my spine, my core's firing to help kick back my forearms, okay? Inhale in, exhale, belly button to spine, kick back, resist, resist. All right, Heartbreaker, 10 more seconds. And hold it right here. So now we're going to do some presses. So push, press, push, press, push, press, push, press. Really breathe through it. Keep your core engaged the whole time. Warming up the back of your body, prepping for the rest of this class. When we're in a wheelbarrow, you're gonna feel your triceps, your lats immediately. Last few seconds, heartbreaker. And break. Okay, so next up, I want you to go to one black spring because we're gonna be working rotator cuffs. And when you work rotator cuffs, you wanna use a lighter weight because they're really small, teeny tiny muscles. So go to one black spring. I want you to cross your cables and you're gonna be getting in a squat position and you're gonna open like a newspaper and you're gonna resist and you're gonna come back up, squeeze your glutes to the top. So sit it back, newspaper, feeling your rotator cuffs resisting the tension and coming up, squeezing your glutes. So this is a full body warm up we're doing for today's class. Whew. Really feel like the resisting in and then coming up. So concentric contraction, opening it up and resisting, coming right back. So we're prepping our shoulders for the rest of this class. So when you're holding yourself up in bear, you are going to be feeling like the back of your body is firing more, your shoulders are firing more to support you. Like if you've ever been in bear and you were like, it's not that my core's tired, my shoulders are tired. So that's what we're doing here, warming it up. Resist, come back up. Okay, last 20 seconds. Resist, come back up. Resist, back up. Okay, keeping your spine neutral, keeping your chest nice and open. Okay, and I just want you to hold right here, feeling your rotator cuffs, holding the carriage, big inhale. Exhale, squeezing your abs in. Inhale, exhale, and we're gonna go 1 inch out, 1 inch in, 3, 2, 1. Inch in and inch out. An inch in and inch out. Breathing through this, keeping your core tight, relaxing your facial muscles, relaxing your upper traps. Final 10 seconds. So close. And break. Whew. Okay, heartbreakers, so drop your cables. You're still on one black spring. If you would like more intensity, you can go to one white spring. So this is the front of the machine. I'm gonna be facing the back platform. So off the front, facing the back, we're gonna get into a wheelbarrow. All right, so wheelbarrow, you're in a kneeling push-up position. You're actively pressing your palms away. So I wanna make sure I'm not sinking, right? This is when your wrists are not gonna feel good. So press away, use your lat muscles, the muscles we just activated. Big inhale through your nose, send it out. Exhale, squeezing your butt, squeezing your inner thighs together. Big inhale. Exhale, belly button to spine, squeeze your pelvic floor muscles. So again, you have to actively squeeze your own muscles, okay? Especially off the front of the machine. So inner thighs squeezing together, you're dropping your shins down. So a lot of times when I teach, I'll see people right here, you just have less stability in your pelvis. So you wanna really stabilize your pelvis. So keep your shins down. So warming up the core, still warming up the back of the body, feeling the lats, triceps, rotator cuffs. And you wanna be squeezing your butt the whole time because when you squeeze your butt, your lower abs activate. And just remember too that if you hold your breath, your core does not activate. So you get so much more out of this workout if you're having that continuous diaphragmatic breathing. Last 10 seconds. Okay, so next up, we're going to take it into a plank hold. So on the toes is the fullest expression of the exercise. You're activating your palms. You can be on your forearms if you so choose. So flexing your feet, like I said, feeling your lats working big time, big inhale. Exhale, squeezing your abs, squeezing your pelvic floor muscles. So 20 more seconds here, prepping our core for when we have our escalator lunge coming up in a couple minutes. So breathing through it. Exhale. Big inhale. Exhale, abs in modification. Do the same exact thing on your knees, dropping your forearms. Last couple seconds here.